Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this Python video shorts tutorial, we are going to see a problem based on constructor in the Python. So basically we are aiming out here to understand the constructor properly. So we have a example kind of here. So where we need to actually create a class of student, okay, and we need to accept the name and marks during the object creation and prints them using a method. Okay, let's just do the same. Let's just try to create a class, and here we are going to just create a class student, which is going to take the constructor, which will be taking the self as a parameter, let's say name and the marks. And you need to just get the self, like name with self dot name from the name, and we can just get self dot marks with marks. Okay, and here simply we can just try to get the new function, which would be, let's say, display, and let's just try to display our marks and name. So name self dot name comma marks self dot marks, and let's just try to create the object, that is s1 equals to student. Let's say I'm entering the data here, Kajal. Let's say the marks would be 56. I'm just trying to use my S1 object to call my display, and you can just try to get the response. So S1 display is not running currently because the indentation problem is there. Now let's just try to run it. You can see here name Kajal, marks 56. What we did, we have created a student class. Like constructor we have created with name and marks, which is taking the values, going to display out by using the formatted string. Okay, we have just passed out the name and marks. We've created out the object, and through object we have called out our method, and we just got the answer, right? So by the help of constructor we just received out the values and we have passed out to the function. Thank you.